Hello! Today, we built a yacht, step by step. Watch the full video to see the entire process.
This composite foam core provides the perfect balance of weight reduction and structural integrity.
Consistent echo on the weld.
Readings are stable. No defects detected.
Hold steady on the west side. We are 2 millimeters off center. Copy that. Adjusting tension now.
Finish the bolts on section 3.
Moving in with the sealant guns now.
Okay, lower 3 millimeters on the starboard side. Copy that, adjusting now, hold steady. Looks good, lock it down. Make sure that edge is flush.
Copy that. Securing the lower bolt now.
Check the connections on the J-type sensor array. Verified. Moving to the main power conduit now.
All right, keep it steady on your end.
Pulling hard now.
Watch the bend coming up.
Check the connections on the K-bus, make sure they're torqued right.
Verified. Moving to the automation relays next.
Blue is freshwater, gray is recycling.
And the Blackwater line needs a double check valve installed here for safety.
Opening the intake valve now.
Final bolt secure. Connection is tight. Watch the clearance on that joint. Hold it steady, and I'm locking the bracket now.
Inspection complete on this section. Looks good.
Thumbs up confirmed. Ready for the pressure test.
Studs secure.
Okay, I've got the insulation. It's a tight fit.
Make sure the vinyl is fully adhered to the beams for proper dampening.
I'm sealing the seams now to ensure maximum passenger comfort.
That joint needs to be tight. Hold it steady.
Right there.
Perfect. That section is solid now. Secure that beam right there. Copy that. Moving to the next section.
Check the seam at the top. Looks perfect, right on the grain line.
All right, guys, easy now. Bring it left just a fraction. Hold it there, lock it in.
Feed me another meter of the warm line wire.
Coming up. Make sure the zone controller is secure down there.
Ambient light levels look good at 350 lux.
And the color temperature is stable at 3000 K.
Watch the left side, clear the edge, keep it steady.
Yep. Almost there. Okay, push it back. I'm securing the brackets now. Okay, pull it tighter.
All right, set it down easy.
Looks aligned.
Get the driver ready. Hitting the bolts now. Okay, lower the platform slowly. Hydraulic engaging now. How's the alignment looking down there? Bring it down another inch. We're good here.
Initiating forward movement now. Copy that, steady as she goes.
Look at the vibration readings on the starboard engine.
Adjusting the frequency now. It seems to be stabilizing.
Hold it right there.
Is it level? Just about. Tightening the fixture now.
This is the primary control interface for the ballast system. Engaging this switch initiates the stabilization sequence.
Everything needs to be immaculate for the owner's arrival.
It is my distinct pleasure to present you with the keys and official documents for your new vessel.
Thank you. The craftsmanship is exceptional.